Hello, friends. We all live in a competitive world, isn't it? But if we learn some of the online courses, there is a huge potential that we become a financial independent. We contribute for our personal growth, and also we become a skill developed persons, which can help in our future growth in every way. So there are 5 online courses that you can think about for your personal growth, for your skill development, and at the end of the day, you become a financial independence. So what are those? Number one, digital marketing. As you know, digital marketing is one of the key area nowadays. Everybody is moving towards digital marketing, especially all the organization who is used to do their marketing in through print media, through newspaper, through magazines. Now everybody is doing that same marketing initiative into online platforms. So people need, the organization needs the digital marketing guy who can help for their overall marketing strategy, who can help to accelerate their marketing journey and become profitable for that company, right? So therefore digital marketing is high demand for the next few years. So if you can become a digital marketing guy, definitely it will be a lot of uh, money for your personal growth. So what you need to do, you need to join any online courses from LinkedIn, Udemy and so on, number one. And you can start engaging in some of the projects uh, from from the like-minded pupils that you are able to connect through social media platform like LinkedIn and so on. And you can start showcasing your certification if you can do it from some of the online courses. And salary is not bad, my dear friend. If you can just complete your certification and start engaging any kind of digital marketing initiatives, you can start earning from 10,000 to 15,000 depending upon your experience, of course. And there is a huge opportunity for freelancer, there is huge opportunity for work from homes. So don't make any further delay, start joining in courses from any online platform and gain the certification and start earning money. And believe me, the entry barrier is very less. What it means is there is not much competitions in this field. If you learn some skills, definitely sooner or later you will get jobs. So digital marketing is one initiatives. Second one is web developer. Nowadays every organizations and every individuals who has some reputation in the society are moving towards building their personal brand, isn't it? So building to personal brand, we require a website for that organization or for that individual. So everybody is understanding that importance of building website and communicating with the outside world, right? So संवाद चलना चाहिए, engagement has to happen. So that engagement only possible through building a public website. Even I am thinking to build my own websites. So everybody is thinking about, right? So if you want to contribute on the website development, definitely you will be earning a lot of money. So what is the source of earning? Just W3 schools. You will start building a small website and showcasing your skills and learn some HTML programmings, learn some CSS development, and start becoming a web developer. And believe me, again huge demand for web developer, because earlier only organizations used to build a website. Now even a small enterprise, small startup, the individuals, everybody are building their website to communicate with their potential customers. So therefore website development is another huge area where you can also become one of the potential candidates to get the jobs and start earning money. And nobody wants, whether you are in at home or you are in office, as long as you have skills, everybody is looking for that kind of website developers. So there is huge demand. Again, salary ranges start from 20,000 to 60,000 depending upon your experience. But as you start learning, as you start contributing, that website development experience will again give you another path for your career growth. That can be a full stack developer, that can be API developer, and so on and so forth, right? So one is digital marketers, another is web developer, and third one is data analyst. As you know, data is the key, right? All the organizations, all the individuals who have been engaging in one or the other way in the digital transformations, everybody is looking for data to leverage and get the harm insight out of that data, isn't it? Otherwise that data is no use. So everybody understand that. So that insight ले आने के लिए जो आदमी का जरूरी होगा वो आप है, डेटा एनालिस्ट, और उसके लिए कोई इतना स्किल का जरूरी नहीं. इफ़ यू लर्न समथिंग एसक्यूएल्स and if you learn little bit of Python, even if you can start doing the Excel data analysis. I remember last time जो मेरे साथ काम करती थी एक colleague, she was doing the data analysis in Excel in previous organizations and came to my projects and उसने अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट किया. बिकॉज डेटा एनालिसिस ऐसा एक रोल है दोस्तों, आज एवरीबॉडी नीडेड डेटा एनालिसिस टू गेट सम इनसाइट आउट ऑफ डेटा, और ताकि वो डेटा को बिजनेस डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो देयर फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट अनदर ह्यूज बूमिंग, और वही डेटा एनालिस्ट करके आप डाटा इंजीनियर बन सकता है, मशीन लर्निंग बन सकता है, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो प्लीज फोकस ऑन डेटा एनालिस्ट रोल्स. अगेन start SQL, start Excel, data manipulations, learn basic SQLs, and start getting some certification from online and LinkedIn platforms, and showcase your experience and certificate. Collaborate with some pupils in your area whom you want to become. And job is huge demand. Different research organizations shows that there is a huge potentials for data roles across industries today. And third is data analysis. So fourth is again basically video editing. आज आप देखते हैं डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में, इधर इन सोशल मीडिया और यूट्यूब्स एनीवेयर सभी वीडियो राइट. वो वीडियो कोई तो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा बना रहा है, राइट. वो वीडियो जो बना रहा है, मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियो आर कमिंग फ्रॉम प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड यूट्यूब कंटेंट क्रिएटर. तो उसको एडिट करने के लिए कोई आदमी तो चाहिए, राइट. तो वो आप बन सकते हैं, और उसमें कोई बड़ा स्किल्स का जरूरी नहीं है. You can be graduate, undergraduate, it does not matter. As long as you learn that skills, and अब घर में बैठे बैठे वो पैसा बहुत कमा सकते हैं. तो प्लीज़ लर्न दैट वीडियो एडिटिंग स्किल्स, एंड इट इज़ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी. कोई एक ऑनलाइन छोटा सा कोर्स ज्वाइन करो, एंड देन स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग ओन वीडियोस एंड स्टार्ट एडिटिंग इट, शेयरिंग इट, एंड पीपल नो दैट यू आर ए वीडियो एडिटर. दे विल स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग विथ यू. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डिमांड्स. सो फोर्थ स्किल इज़ वीडियो एडिटर, राइट. सो एक हो गया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, सेकेंड हो गया वेब डेवलपर, थर्ड हो गया वीडियो स्किल वीडियो एडिटिंग, एंड फोर्थ हो गया वेब डेवलपर, और एक है कंटेंट क्रिएशन. आज आप जितना सा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की इनिशिएटिव देखते हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएटर के बिना हो नहीं सकता. उसके लिए कोई इतना डिफिकल्ट काम नहीं है. एज लॉन्ग एज यू हैव ए पैशन टू राइट एंड शेयर द स्टोरी विद अदर, एंड दैट यू बिकम ए कंटेंट क्रिएटर, राइट. सो आप शुरू तो कीजिए थोड़ा लिखना, कोई ब्लॉग अगर बनाइए, शेयर कीजिए, एंड देन स्टार्ट. और कोई कोर्स भी लीजिए ऑन कंटेंट क्रिएटर, कंटेंट राइटर का, एंड देन एवरीबॉडी इन इस डिजिटल. कोई भी मार्केटिंग इनिशिएटिव कंटेंट क्रिएशन के बिना हो नहीं सकता. आइदर इट इज़ आप यूट्यूब का कंटेंट बोलिए, या वीडियो एडिटिंग्स, और एनी अदर वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट. पहले जो वेबसाइट का जो कंटेंट है, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द कंटेंट राइटर्स. सो ह्यूज डिमांड है, इट्स अराउंड अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, एंड उसके लिए घर में बैठ के ही काम कर सकते हैं फॉर अक्रॉस आइदर US मार्केट, इंडिया मार्केट, यूरोप मार्केट, एशिया मार्केट, एवरीवेयर, राइट. सो प्लीज फोकस ऑन द कंटेंट क्रिएशन कोर्स एंड स्टार्ट लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ मनी for your personal growth, and for your family's growth, and for your society's growth. So once you start earning money, my dear friend, you will get a respect, because you become financially independent. When a person earns a money, what it means is he is able to give a value to the society, and therefore you get a respect. So please start earning money through your online course that you are engaging. Hopefully you will engage, and we will learn, and then start contributing for the private organizations, start earning money. That will help your personal growth and your skill development. You become a financially independent and become a more reliable and respectable person in the society. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.